What's up, guys? Hope everybody's doing great. I'm about to show you how the guys do a low fade with a little bit of drop on the back. As you can see, I'm starting my first guideline using the gamma trimmer all the way around, marking it, making sure everything is very clean. Foundation is key. So you want to take your shaver, I'm using the Braun 9, and pass it all the way around. Now we start with the high zero, about 1 inch up, with the Andis Masters, as you can see, going all the way around. Then we're gonna take the magic clip and use that high zero that's a little bit lower than the Andis Master one, then pass it halfway up. You wanna go in with a motion and outwards. In a little hard and come out, and you're gonna erase that line. As you can see, it's going away. Now we're gonna lower it and take out that trimmer line and that zero line with the magic clip. Now we go into the 316, as you can see, with the Wahl magic clip all the way around. Make sure, then you wanna lower it. Now we're gonna use the 116, same process. Inwards and outwards when you come out. Pressure in, outwards. Wanna lower that 116 after you started on the high. Using that corner, as you can see, wanna use that corner right there. Any little hard spots, any hard lines, you're gonna get it out with that corner. That's the trick right there. And holding the machine at a proper angle, as you can see. Doing it slow so you guys can see how I'm doing it. Now we're gonna use the high 3 all the way around and then lower it. Low 3. Now we're using the 2, high 2, and a quick low 2. Another 316. You wanna, go through the guards pretty quickly, so you can speed up that fade. Don't take too long. Now we're gonna use the whole 4. We're using the 4 on top and matching it with the number 3, high 3 from the sides. If it was higher than that, you would want to do the 4 on top first, if the sides. So now we're using the gamma trimmer, using the corner of the blade to do them corners, as you can see. And now we're gonna do the beard. When doing the beard, you want to just tap it lightly. Don't go in too much. You want to keep it as natural as possible. Using the corner of the blade around the mustache area is key for them corners also. And around the nose area, that's the point of the T. Now we're using the Visionary razor, all gold, to take out any excess hair and clean the beard up, clean the fade up, make it that real skin tight, as you can see. Making sure everything's clean, no hairs left behind, no lines left behind. Then you want to go over it back with your edger, your trimmers, and make sure you didn't leave no lines from the blade. So you want to hit it lightly, as you can see. Make sure, inspect the haircut, make sure you ain't got no lines, and go over it one more time. You guys, here are my products that I use on a daily basis. You guys can check them out at diamondsedgeyb.com. Visionary products. Got them on deck. Make sure y'all check them out. All gold.